Hey, it's your girl, Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Bellamore, a thoughtfully designed master plan community by MI Homes, nestled in the charming town of York, South Carolina. Just a short drive from Charlotte and minutes from everything in Fort Mill and Rock Hill, this location gives you the best of both worlds. Quiet, comfortable living with big city convenience right around the corner. So whether you are commuting for work or just enjoying the dining, shopping, and entertainment in the Queen City, this community keeps you connected to everything you need. Once completed, the community will include 144 townhomes and 126 single-family homes, perfect for families of all sizes. And if you love privacy, you will find partially wooded home sites that give you that peaceful, tucked-away feel. The community's amenities are going to be incredible once they open in the summer of 2026. Residents will enjoy a beautiful amenity building with gathering space and a fitness center, a junior Olympic-sized pool, 2 pickleball courts, a community playground, and peaceful walking trails throughout the community. But today, we're touring the Savoy II floor plan, one of the single-family home models here in the Bellamore community. Starting at $411,990, the Savoy II offers between 3078 and 3122 square feet of living space with 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 bathrooms, a spacious loft, and a 2-car front-load garage. As you step through the covered front porch, you enter a bright and welcoming foyer. Right up front, you'll find a private bedroom with a walk-in closet and an ensuite full bathroom, perfect for guests, in-laws, or even a dedicated office space. Moving past the staircase, the home opens into this gorgeous open concept living area. The kitchen flows into the great room, making it ideal for entertaining. The kitchen features a large center island, a spacious walk-in corner pantry. It's everything you need for cooking, hosting, or just living comfortably day by day. You'll also find a powder room tucked away and convenient access to the 2-car garage. Head upstairs and you will find the loft, 2 secondary bedrooms, the laundry room, and the private owner suite. The owner suite sits just off the landing and truly feels like an in-home getaway. Optional features include a tray ceiling and a deluxe bath with a separate tub and shower. The standard layout already includes dual sinks, a private water closet, and a large walk-in closet. What really makes the Savoy II shine, though, is how thoughtfully the space is planned out. Every room is designed to maximize natural light, function, and comfort, all while supporting the way today's families live, work, and entertain. So if you're interested in new construction near Charlotte with incredible amenities and great floor plan options, Bellamore is definitely worth exploring. And if you like more details on pricing, floor plans, or availability, I'm here to help. Give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.